The North Texas Municipal Water District. Based in Wiley, Texas, the operation serves one of the fastest growing regions in Texas, collecting solid waste from residents and businesses and transporting it to one of 3 enclosed transfer stations where dust and odor can be effectively controlled. The Lookout Drive transfer station prioritizes the comfort and safety of nearby communities. To reduce the impact of dust and odor, operators installed 2 DustBoss DB30 injector units above the tipping floor. The cannons provide 30 meters of throw and up to 6,100 square feet of coverage using the high-powered fan, a dosing pump, and a misting ring with 30 atomizing nozzles that are specifically designed to fracture water into tiny droplets. Achieving this droplet size allows even distribution of odor neutralizers through air currents while efficiently controlling airborne dust. In 2022, the Solid Waste Association of North America gave its Safety Award for Biggest Safety Improvement to the North Texas Municipal Water District Solid Waste System. The organization cites several factors that played a role in the award, and management recognizes the DustBoss as one of the main factors in producing a safer workplace. With the success of the DustBoss system, North Texas has purchased and installed 2 additional cannons at another transfer station and plans to include units in their design for further expansion next year as they honor their commitment to protecting the environment and the people they serve.